Hey guys, welcome back, and for our Random Thursday, as promised, we will be making this water bomb. So, this thing is, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to zoom in there. It's kind of a box shape, and if you want to help it stay together more, because see, there's these kind of flaps sticking out, tape it together. But you can use this to drop on people or whatever, and it makes a spectacular splash if you fill it with water. But otherwise, it's just kind of a neat trinket to have around, like a paper box. Neat. Alright, let's get started. So to start, you've got to have scissors and your piece of normal letter-sized paper. But before we really start, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to need to make this into a square. So I'm going to take a corner and fold it down until these tips are touching. And it's a nice, perfect triangle. So then you're going to fold it down like that. And then we're going to cut the bottom off. So then it's a square. So cut, 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 cut. We do not need this anymore. Then, this is kind of tricky. Well, not this part. Oh, and we don't need scissors either. But the next few steps. So we're going to fold the other way to make an X shape. Can you guys see the X shape? I sure can. And then we're going to fold horizontally, so this way, onto the paper. And to make things easier for us, we're going to do it both ways. So, there we go. So now we've kind of got a little asterisk shape instead. Now we need to go the other way, which should be really easy because it's already been folded once. Okay. So then you got to bring points. Let's just say this is point A and point B. You got to bring them together so that they kind of fold in on each other. I still get tricked out, like, messed up with this, but you've kind of got to, you've got to take this and then kind of fold it the other way and bring it together and then kind of smoosh them down. Like, oh, come on. I had an easier time for the, aha, like, oh, ugh, what is that? You know, I'll get this done and then I'll show you. So I finally got it here, and just because I had to cut because I couldn't get it doesn't mean that you can't. I just had a really difficult piece of paper to deal with because some paper is more difficult than others. Okay, so to move on to the next step, you're going to take this corner over here and pull it all the way up to the top. Kind of like paper airplane videos. If you haven't watched that series, remember to go back and watch those so you can more fully understand what I'm doing here. Okay, so then you're going to pull up the other corner and do the same thing. After you're done with that, you're going to take this same corner, not same corner, but this kind of corner here, and you're going to fold it on into the inside. Like that. And you're going to do it to the other side. Then, we've kind of created this little pocket here, see? So then we're going to tuck this paper right here into this pocket. So we're going to go, oh, come on, poke it. That pocket side. And then that pocket. And then when you're done with that, you are just going to repeat for the other side. Alright, let's do that. So we've done the other side now, and it's the same on both sides, and it's kind of this weird double triangle on a square shape. So now, to help in making it into a cube, we're going to take the top and fold it over here, and fold it on the other side. So we're just going to do that a few times to help loosen the paper up and make it straight again. And we're going to do that to the other side too. Okay, so now this side isn't where the hole is. This side is where the hole is. So I'm going to grab a pencil. Where is a pencil? Ooh, oh, here's a good Lego piece. We're gonna pop it in the top like that. Kind of make an opening for yourself and kind of start expanding it. And you can kind of pull it to help expand it even more, and you're gonna blow into the top. And you've got a paper cube. Or a water bomb, or whatever you want to call it. And you can, like I said in the beginning of the video, you can tape this here to help make it not so flappy. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see more like it, aka like origami, remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell. It helps the channel out a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.